Hey there, I'm Tanya Evans, District Manager for Duke Energy. We take safety very seriously. In fact, it's our company's highest priority, not only for our employees, but also for the communities we serve. That's why, through our foundation, we've partnered with Granville County Emergency Management to produce this animation. Hey, Doug.
Hey, Tanya. Great to see you. Thank you so much for helping us get the word out about fire prevention and disaster preparedness. And hello to you out there as well. No matter how young or old you are, your safety and the safety of your family and friends is very important. Being prepared for any emergency or disaster you might encounter may just save your life one day. Over the next several minutes or so, sit back, relax, and have fun watching this informative animation. We really hope you'll enjoy the show and learn a little something while you watch. But pay close attention, there might just be a test. When disaster strikes, it'll be too late to run out to the nearest warehouse club store and pick up a few items, so it's best to plan ahead. Emergency management officials recommend that everyone prepare an emergency disaster kit with enough items for themselves as well as their entire family, including pets, for at least a 72-hour period. By then, first responders should have most situations under control. First, start with a large, sealable storage tub. Now, what to put inside? Think about it this way. Imagine you're going on a camping trip with your family in the middle of nowhere. No electricity, no running water, no grocery or drugstore nearby. You're on your own. Now think about it. What would you need to have with you to survive for 3 days? Now imagine all those items are gone.
Hey!
Scared? Don't be. That's why we're here today. First, and probably the most important, we recommend having enough water on hand for 1 gallon per person per day. Now that may seem like a lot of water, but think about it. You're going to want some to drink, to wash yourself, your clothes, other things. You'll use up a gallon of water pretty quickly. And what about food? Canned goods are always good to have on hand because they won't go bad anytime soon. But don't forget a can opener. Other prepackaged food items are good as well, such as granola bars, chips, nuts, maybe even candy, anything that won't spoil over time. And don't forget the plastic utensils, paper towels, paper cups, paper plates, and napkins. Of course, you can never have enough batteries. You're going to need batteries for flashlights so you can get around in the dark. And an all hazards NOAA weather radio so you can keep up with the latest news and alerts. A good rule of thumb is to swap out the batteries regularly if you're going to keep them in storage for any length of time. So when you buy new batteries, place those in your storage tub and use the batteries you've had in storage. That way, your batteries will always be fresh in the event you need them in an emergency. It's important to have a first aid kit on hand in the event of injuries. Hand sanitizer and cleaning wipes are always a good idea. And bleach for sterilizing water if needed. And don't forget, you're probably going to be without power for a while, and you're going to want some entertainment. Throw in a deck of cards, checkers, chess, board games, puzzles, anything to pass the time that doesn't require electricity. But don't think you're done yet. We have more items to pack when we get home. You're also going to want to pack copies of any important documents, such as insurance papers, emergency contacts, prescriptions. And speaking of prescriptions, be sure to pack any essential medications you'll need. And an extra pair of glasses or contacts. You'll need those. And go ahead and grab some rain gear, such as boots and a raincoat. You'll be glad you have those in the event of severe weather. In case you have structural damage to your home, it's probably not a bad idea to have your tent and sleeping bags nearby and ready to grab at a moment's notice. Better safe than sorry. And last but not least, don't forget the pets. They're part of the family too. They'll need their own supplies, such as water, food, and any medications that they may be taking. Now, pick a safe, out-of-the-way storage place, maybe in your garage or basement, and make sure everyone in your family knows where to find it in case of an emergency. And there you have it. Your 72-hour disaster preparedness kit is ready. Hopefully, you'll never have to use it. But just in case you forgot, here's a reminder of all the things we talked about today. And don't forget the storage tub to put everything in. Until next time, good luck and stay safe. Good dog.